Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to do is explore the second iteration of your sort of index function. So if I come up here to look up in reference and go to index, there's a second option down here, okay? And basically what this allows me to do is to specify, areas within my actual grid. So what I'm going to do is the first thing I need to do is kind of basically mark out the two grids. So I go to reference, and this case is going to be from January across July down to there. I'm going to use F4 to lock it, and then I go comma, and I choose my second area over here. Okay, again F4 to lock it, and then close my brackets. And yes, it has conniptions. You'll see as I go down here. Okay, I'm then going to use the match first of all for the color. So I type in match, and then I click on the color up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to kind of lock the formula. Okay, just lock it to the row because I want the row to remain the same when I copy it across, but this to change. Comma, and then I highlight my colors here, F4 to lock it, comma, 0, close my brackets. Okay. Now I'm then going to use the column number. Okay. Now somebody else might have a better version of this, but I found that I actually had to you're going to have to tweak the form a little bit when you copy it across. So I just match on the month because they're marked as an area here. And I just use the F4 to lock it so the row remains the same, but that the column will change. So I copy it across, comma, and then I'm just going to have it from January across to July. Okay, F4, because I've tried it with the whole lot and it's not playing ball. And then the area number I'm just going to have up here, and again just lock that to my F4 and press enter. Okay, gets me 125. So I've got March and orange, which looks about right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it across. So let's say I want to kind of do same color but for a different month. Okay, and I get my infamous NA. So what I'm going to need to do is I need to go up here, check my formula. So my index is fine, which is up here. That's fine. Okay. The match then for the T2, let's say for my T4, which is going to be the color, is fine as well. Okay, B6 to B29. Now when I come here to the match, this is where I'm going to have to tweak it a little bit. So what I'm going to have to do is that instead of saying C5, let's say, which is here from C5 across to I5, what I'm going to have to do is actually say from J5, okay, so let's change this one from J5, then across to I5. Okay. Okay. So what I'm actually going to need to do is I'm going to need to go in here. The match bit up here, I'm actually going to have to get it to go from J5, which is up here. Just change that to J5, and then over to N5, which is over here. And that returns my 582, which is the match here. This one, see there's my ochre and my December. Okay. So just to kind of say, so this, I haven't found kind of a handy way of being able to kind of sort of just copy it across, but at least if you had sort of multiple areas that you want to specify, this would allow you to do it. Hope you find this useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.